Hello, in this video we will unbox the gardening pots ordered from Meesho, and we will also talk about the pricing in the last. So please watch this video, and if you want you can order. I will add the link also in the description. So the size of this planter is 8 inches and the quantity, it is combo pack of 10. So we will also count it's the same quantity sent by the seller or missing. You know that some seller, do some scam or give less quantity as compared to their site, so it unbox in the wrong way. No worries, we will pick it up from the wrong way itself. So first impression is good. So it is also packed in the plastic, also plastic in plastic itself. So there is some scratch cards. Okay, so this is, oh, so this is that scam. You give 5 ratings and you will get some discount and all. This is the new legal scam in India is going on right now. So now let's see the quality of the pot. So I can see the quality is little bit not good as compared to the local nursery pots. Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quantity is perfect. Okay, let's recheck it. Human things. Okay, so I have to check all the pods one by one. So like some online seller do this also, like put some wrong or cracked one in the middle one, and the best one in the starting and the last. So I have to check it. Okay, it's not coming out. I don't know how, why it's vacuumed, I guess. So I have to, okay, now it's come out. Okay, so you can see little bit of engraving of plant. I think it's rose plant. There's a rose plant and also little bit dot thing on the whole pot, which I had never seen in the local nursery. Also, I don't have in my garden also. So that is new to me. So also the holes is not there, so you have to make the holes by yourself. So this is also a new thing. If we talk about the pricing, it was 242 when I ordered it. So 24 rupees for a one pot. So it is quite reasonable because you are getting it at the, like, into your doorstep also. So you don't have to go anywhere, right? So I forgot the local nursery rate of 8 inches, and also the quality is not good as the local nursery, I would say. Like local nursery pots are so much sturdy, so this is not that much sturdy, and the quality is also not that good. So this would, I would say, the quality wise I would give 7 out of 10 for sure. And if you talk about value for money, it's 10 by 10, because the pricing you can't get it in the local nursery. Maybe you can get in very big cities, but I am from a town, very small town. Very few nurseries are there, very far from city. So that's why I get everything expensive. So thanks for watching. Any questions you can type in the comments. Bye bye.